Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with ISHOW here today. This is the packaging that I got. Has a zipper. So you know, we have the wig, and then I also got this like pouch inside the bag with all the goodies and stuff. So before we get into the wig, let's see what goodies we got. So okay, got like this little hanger thing. I guess you could probably hang your wig on it, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. I also got a pair of HD wig caps. I got this edge brush and comb, and then I also got one of these clips. So that's everything for goodies. So this is the wig that we're working with for today's wig look. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It feels so soft. This is a loose deep wave 5x5 lace closure, HD lace closure wig, guys. Everything is already done for you. It's pre-cut. As you can see, the lace is pre-cut. It's pre-plucked. Looks really nice and natural. It is also pre-bleached. Okay, so you don't need to bother to do that either. You don't need any products to install this, by the way. No adhesive needed. It's glueless, completely glueless, very beginner friendly. All right, very beginner friendly, and I'm loving that for us, because what convenience is all we need, right? So inside of the cap construction looks like this. It has this elastic band which is added for security. You can adjust it to however tight you want it to be or loose. And then there are 3 combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps in the back. So pretty standard cap construction, really nicely done, very professionally done, and I'm loving that. The tone of this wig is a 1B, very nice and natural, and the hair is pretty nice and full. It's not heavy, but it's nice and full. As I said, it's really soft. This is how it looks up close. I love a good loose wave hair one, even when if you decide to go ahead and get it wet, really gorgeous. So I am loving that. And one of my most favorite things is the fact that you don't need any product to install it. So you know what, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this very quick and easy install. Let's go. All right, so even though the lace is pre-cut, I'm gonna go down and cut off just the little piece here that doesn't have any hair really, so it can be a little bit more exact. And I know that you see that it does have a little bit of a cast, so usually when it comes down to that, I just take a little bit of like face powder to just have everything well blended and kind of cancel out that cast. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll just use that to help to melt down the lace. I'll just use that to help melt down the lace, even though there's no product on it, like no adhesive then. So the hair, what I'm gonna do, the hair looks so good. I love it in its dry state. Those waves are so pretty, like so pretty. All I want to do is kind of focus on perfecting the top. Like I want it to lay a little flatter. So you know the drill. I'm gonna go in with my wax and my hot comb. that looks so good. I love the volume on this wig. Look at how pretty. Nah, I really don't want to wear this right now, but I really want to show you guys how it looks in its wet state. Absolutely no product, no adhesive whatsoever, no adhesive whatsoever. You see that? Lovely. What I want to go in and do is just wet it up for you guys now. Oh, so nice. I really don't want to. I really don't want to, but it's gonna bounce back up because, I mean, you know, that's the texture of the hair. I'm just gonna go in with water because I wanted to bounce back up so quick. But yeah, we just have a really light natural beat going on. I'm loving it. Everything just looks really pretty, you know, with these really nice soft waves. It's a vibe. So this is gonna bounce back up. It's gonna dry back down easily because it's not much, it's not any heavy product in there. So because I really love the soft dry wave look, but that's how it looks. It still looks so good. And to know that this is completely glueless, let me tell you something. So something that I realized with this is that the cap is so nicely snug. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to slip off. Like, don't be afraid. Let's test this. Let's do a shake test. Yeah, so it's on there. Okay, it's on there, so you don't have to worry, guys. Like, you really don't have to worry. It's really glueless. Like, ISHOW hair came through. 2 thumbs up. Loving it, loving it. You guys know, if you wanna get this wig for yourself, where you need to go. My description box. The direct link is there, as well as the specifications to this wig. All right, because it's gorgeous. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I am so excited that I could give you another convenient and quick wig look. Like, it's for all my beginner girlies, all my girlies who don't have a lot of time to do their hair. So it's just 1 minute install and go, and you look cute. All right, so yeah, that's it. Go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, turn on your post notification bell so you can know every time that I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself. Bye.